everyone! Today we are making tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is a spicy stir-fried rice cakes and it's a very popular Korean street food. We are now going to make this delicious comfort food at home. For the ingredients, we need Tteok, which is rice cake, omuk, Korean fish cake, half an instant noodle, 2 boiled eggs, cabbage, and spring onion. The more spring onion, the better. The sauce needs gochujang, red chili paste, soy sauce, red chili powder, brown sugar, and corn syrup. Corn syrup is optional. Tteok is called rice cake in English, but the chewy rice cakes are simply addictive. Find them in the fridge and freezer section in the shops. Fish cakes can also be found in the freezer section. Try and find fish cakes from Busan. They are the best and they look like this. Cut the cabbage into bite size. Cut the spring onion into long pieces. The fish cakes can be cut into triangles or long squares, as long as they're in bite size. Add water, soy sauce, brown sugar, red chili powder, and red chili paste into the pot. Give it a good mix. If you have corn syrup, this is when you should add it as well. Add the cabbage and spring onion and wait until the water boils. Once the sauce boils, add the rice cake, hard-boiled eggs, and continue to cook. When the sauce boils again, add the fish cake and instant noodle. You'll need to wiggle the noodles a bit. Continue cooking until the sauce thickens and the noodle is cooked. You're ready to eat. 짜잔! Homemade, delicious tteokbokki. I remember finishing school and walking to the markets with friends to eat tteokbokki. My favorite part was at the very end when we got a bowl of rice and mix it up with the tteokbokki sauce. I hope you give this recipe a go. You won't regret it. See you next time!